Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 1 English textbook, workbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 6, Professions. Our topic of today's lessons is pronoun and singular plural nouns. SLOs of this lesson are: use substitution words like me, you, him, her, us, them, and I, you, he, she, we, they, it. And recognize and change the number of simple naming words by adding or removing s, singular and plural. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun here. For male, we will use he. For female, we will use she. For animal and place or thing, we will use it. How? For example, Sarah is speaking. अब हम इसको प्रोनाउन के साथ कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे? आपका नाउन क्या है? सारा है. नाउन क्या होता है? नाउन नेम्स पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. सारा आपका क्या है? नाउन है. तो हम इसको प्रोनाउन से कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे? अगर द सारा इज नोन टू स्पीकर एंड टू लिसनर, देन वी विल यूज प्रोनाउन. लाइक सारा क्या है? सारा के बारे में बोलने वाले को और सुनने वाले दोनों को पता है कि सारा की बात हो रही है, तो हम जो है नाउन को रिप्लेस करेंगे प्रोनाउन से. कैसे? सारा क्या है? फीमेल है, तो उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे शी इज स्पीकिंग. अब हमने सारा को किससे रिप्लेस कर दिया है? शी से. शी आपका क्या है? यस, प्रोनाउन. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज डॉग इज बार्किंग. अब डॉग को हम कैसे रिप्लेस करेंगे? डॉग के लिए हमारे पास रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है प्रोनाउन में? यस, इट. इट इज बार्किंग. डॉग को हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया यस इट से. तो हमारे प्रोनाउन क्या करते हैं? रिप्लेस करते हैं हमारे नाउन को. इफ द नाउन आर नोन टू स्पीकर एंड लिसनर, टू बोथ, दे नो व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. For example, I, they, you, it, we, he, she. These are all pronoun. You have to match the noun with the correct pronoun. Here we have what? Yes, dog here. An animal. So what will be the correct pronoun for it? Yes, it here. For animal and things, we use pronoun it. And remember one thing, they. For plural, for people. Identify the pronoun of the sentence. We love eating popcorn. If we say boys are eating popcorn, we love eating popcorn. Here the we is, yes, the we is the right answer here. We is a what? Yes, a pronoun. Pronoun for people, persons. It replaces the noun here. Page number 35 of your textbook. Let's learn the concept of pronoun here too and then do the exercise. A word that replaces a noun is called pronoun. For example, my name is Shahir. I am a boy. Ramin is a girl. She plays with dolls. Abbas and Shafi are brothers. They read in class 1. As I told you, my name is Shaheen. As I told you, my name is Shahir. This sentence here. He introduced himself. Now, he's again talking about himself. So, he will use the pronoun I here. I am a boy. And then, Ramin is a girl. She plays with the doll. Here, the she is the same person, Ramin here. She plays with dolls. Abbas and Shafi, other nouns. Plural. More than one person. So, how we will replace it? Yes, by adding they here. They indicates to more than one person because Abbas and Shafi are two person here. So we will add they here. They read in class 1. We have replaces Abbas and Shafi with pronoun they here. For singular, I, you, he, she, it. For plural, we, you, they. Let's do the exercise of it here. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Ali is in the playground and is playing football with his friend. Ali is a masculine noun here. It's a male here. So we will choose yes. He. We replaces Ali here with pronoun he. B. Zainab is crying because wants to eat candy. Zainab is a female here. So we will choose yes, she. We replaces Zainab with she here. Ali and Muhammad are friends because study in the same class. The example of Abbas and Shafi, Ali and Muhammad, two people here. So we will choose yes, they here. We replaces it. We replace it. My house is in Lahore and live with my family. Here, you will replace my with I. I live with my family. The cat is a beautiful animal, drinks milk. I have told you cat is an animal. So we will replace it by the pronoun it here. Anoral and I are reading books. Enjoy reading stories. If you are including I here, the pronoun I here, and anoral another noun here. So what you will do? Yes, you will add we here. You will replace I and anoral with we because it's more than one person. You and the other girl anoral. You both are reading books. So we enjoy reading stories. Now let's do the singular and plural. First we will discuss the concept of singular and plural. Nouns can be singular or plural. When you are talking about one person, animal, place or thing, use a singular noun. For example, a ship, a train, an owl, a flower. There are also singular nouns: an airplane, a letter, a bicycle, a map, a boy, a photographer, a bus, a refrigerator, a comb, a slide, a girl, a swing, a key, a van. They all indicate to one item, one person here. You can see the use of an and a here. We have discussed the concept of articles too in our previous lesson. Use a or an before singular nouns. Use an before words beginning with the vowel I, A, I, O, U. For example, an axe, an igloo, an egg, orange, envelope, umbrella, ice cream, uncle. These all nouns are starting with the vowel sound here. Axe, egg. But some words don't follow this rule. For example, use a, not an, before these words that begins with U. These are the what? A uniform, a university. You have to understand the sound. You have to follow the sound of vowel sounds. Not the word, the sound. A, E, I, O, U. And remember one thing another. The words start with the consonant sounds like a lamp, a bicycle. These are the consonant sounds. B or L. We will add a before it. And the words that start with the vowel sound, we will add an here. We have discussed this in your previous lesson too. If you want to understand this one, you can re-watch it. When you are talking about two or more people, animal, places or things, use plural nouns. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. For example, bats, stars, fans, capes, mugs here. Star is one here. You can see one star here, singular. But we have 4 stars here. So we will simply add s here to make it plural because it's more than, yes, there are 4 stars. Likewise, fan and caps, 2 caps here, 4 mugs here. Simply we will add s here to make it plural because it's more than one. So we have singular and plural nouns here. Bird, birds, brooms, brooms, camel, camels, dusk, dusk, dole, doles, egg, eggs, flower, flowers. These are the singular and these are the plural. You can see the addition of s here because it's plural form, more than one. Folk, folks, game, games, lamp, lamps, nest, nests, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt, shirts. Now let's do the exercise of it. Bottle? Yes, bottle is a singular noun, so you have to make it plural. What you will do? Yes, simple. Bottles, Mac, it's plural by adding s here. Cup, cups, pencil, pencils, desk, desks, sticker, stickers, window, windows. So this is your home task from workbook. This is your activity of listening and speaking. Play the role of doctor and go to your sister brother who is suffering from fever. Ask her him how she feels. आपने क्या करना है? रोल प्ले करना है. आप जो है डॉक्टर बन जाए और अपने सिस्टर या ब्रदर को कहें कि वो क्या बन जाए? पेशेंट बन जाए जो कि क्या है? ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर, जो कि क्या है? बीमार है. आस्क हर हिम हाउ शी फील्स, और आपने डॉक्टर बन के उससे पूछना है कि आप कैसा फील कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर एंड अ पेशेंट हियर. Doctor says, hello, how are you? Sister, who is the patient, says, doctor, I'm not feeling well. Doctor says, are you feeling cold? Sister says, who is the patient, yes, doctor. Then doctor says, oh, have you taken medicine? Sister said, yes, I have. Doctor said, okay, take rest and you will be fine soon. Then sister, who is the patient, says, thank you, doctor. So we have a conversation here. You can follow this one. You have to play the role of doctor and your sister or brother will play the role of patient here. And page number 27 of your workbook, this is your home task. You have to complete it. What do you wish to become? I wish to become RN. Please be careful about this. RN, we have learned the concept of it. Before the consonant sounds and N before the vowel sounds here. आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? आपकी क्या विश है? डॉक्टर, टीचर, पायलट, पोस्टमैन, इंजीनियर. आपने यहां पर लिखना है. एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक. आपने ये टेक्स्ट पढ़ना है अपने यूनिट नंबर 6 से और इसमें प्रोनाउंस और सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म्स नाउन की आइडेंटिफाई करनी है. जैसे कि पोस्टमैन इधर क्या है? सिंगुलर है, तो ये आपका सिंगुलर नाउन हो गया. ठीक है. कार्स आपका इधर हो गया, क्या हो गया? प्लूरल नाउन हो गया. और इसके अलावा आपने प्रोनाउन भी अंडरलाइन करें. यू हैव सो मेनी प्रोनाउन इन दिस पेज हियर. he. So I want you to find all the pronouns in this text here. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.